friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to sketch this isometric view in Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. It is simple exercises. We are going to sketch by starting by this length 40 millimeter and this with this 40 millimeter extrude up to 10. We will cut this angle 40. This is the angle of 45 degrees. So let's see. Okay, file, new part. Okay, top plane, sketch, okay, choose line, okay, okay, assign dimensions. This we have 40 millimeter and we have 40 millimeter. Okay, let's see. From this one up to this one we have 40 millimeter and this we have 40 millimeter. This angle let's see, 45 degrees, and from this one up to this we have 10. Okay, this one up to this have 10. Okay, and from this one up to this side we have also 10. We have also 10. Same dimension of this line up to this we have 10. Okay, we define it. So isometric extrude up to 10. Okay, this 10, say okay. So then insert this one with 20 this and length of 30. Okay, choose this face normal, sketch corner rectangle, start from this corner, assign dimension. This is 20. Okay, this is 30. Isometric extrude up to extrude up to 20. This is 10. 20. Extrude up to 20. Just extrude 20. Say okay. So we are going to cut this one, this shape, this. With 10 and an angle of 45 degrees. Let's see. Select this one, normal, choose the line, assign dimension. This is 10. Okay, this you have 10. So then this angle is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay, we find it isometric features. Look at features. Cut it full blind through. Okay. So you see, this is good. So friends, this is how to create and sketch simple axis in Solidworks. Simple exercises in Solidworks. I hope you have enjoyed. Change color, make white plain. White, okay. Change color by default. Then assign any color. Assign any color. You can assign color. So I hope you have enjoyed the videos. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Share and comment to your channel. So friends, thank you.